Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Jamaica. Tonight we're having jerk shrimp. The morning mise en place, just after the simple prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the marinade. The shrimp in the marinade, and it'll marinate for about an hour. Heating up some oil in the saute pan. I add the shrimp and saute for 3 to 5 minutes. The finished shrimp. The rice is ready. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.